he told us we have to come here, and he's the head coach. And he said meet in the early bird, and that's why we're here. That's the reason.
Yeah, that's the guy you got to thank right there.
Nice big booths here.
That's it.
Nice big booths. And then we spill over. That's part of our crew over there. That's part of our team over there.
You're doing okay, Frank. I need what I need from you.
Coach DJ runs our defense with Dad, and he babysits. That's why he's over there. We breed them from an early age to play football, and Coach DJ babysits. Similar to a team mom, but he's a guy.
This week we have Monroe, big game up at Wolf Park, and then next week we play Southern Duchess in New York. So
You'll see us here every week.
next week, stay tuned. Yeah, come back next week. We'll let you know how we made out.
We will win. We'll just let you know by how much next week.
We're doing this a documentary.
We'll win.
Documentary of us.
We're live here, folks. Early Bird. This is Coach's Corner.
And by the way, it was Ryan's
Live
birthday.
with Mike Scalzo.
Coach Ryan's birthday.
Oh yeah.
He's 29 years old.
29.
Yep.
He likes some of the girls that works here too.
That actually is why we're here more than anything else.
We all like the girls that work here.
That's really why we
Call
come
me.
I come for the X.
241-6317. Or what's your number?
here. Unlisted.